we doing today then?
What are we doing today? Today has been off the scale, different to what it usually is. We then found out what the vehicle was. It's blown my mind. I am beyond excited. We are going to film and complete a full valet on a Ferrari F40.
Breaking news. Ferrari F40 stopped and seized by police in Lowestoft.
Was it damaged going onto the trailer? Is it in fact an MR2? Was it fully uninsured? Is it over £3 million? Is the car gonna be crushed? Is it owned by a famous NFL American football player? Is he going to jail?
It's time for the truth.
Now we're dropping this video a little bit earlier than expected. Now the reason for that is because it is blown up in the local press. It's actually national press now. So Jake's been caught off guard because we need to get this video out pretty fast to tell the full story. Now all the articles, all the comment sections on social media are crazy. So as we as a company and me personally were there for the full duration of this story, I thought I'd take the video, drop the video to you guys to explain exactly what's happened. So, we were due to the Wilderness Reserve last Friday for a mobile valet on a VIP customer's extremely rare supercar. On the day of the valet, we had a call around about the lunchtime. We were due there around about 3 o'clock. So I got a call directly from the customer around about lunchtime saying he's had a little problem with the police. He's been sat in a lay-by for 3 hours. He got pulled over due to not having a front plate on the vehicle, which also then led to the vehicle not having any insurance, as it was only just purchased days before in the UK. It was actually from DK Engineering. I'm not sure where they are in the UK. But they are an extremely well-known company with some unbelievable vehicles for sale. So after sitting in the lay-by for 3 hours with the police, they couldn't get the insurance sorted out. It was a genuine mistake. Obviously with the car being so new, it didn't all go through how the customer thought, as he's from America. I won't say the customer's name, but he is a big NFL player, an American football player from Miami, who come over to the UK to collect the car. So yeah, after sitting with the police for that long, unfortunately, the vehicle did have to be taken away on a trailer because they couldn't get it insured. So a recovery company turned up, took the vehicle away. That obviously delayed our process of doing the mobile valet. So what we ended up then doing is driving out to Lowestoft. This customer's come from Miami Beach to Lowestoft. There's no problem with Lowestoft, obviously. I'm from the local area, but Miami Beach and Lowestoft are worlds apart. Picked the customer up who was walking around in Lowestoft. We then had to go back to Yarmouth to the recovery company to go pick up the car. The car was only there for around about an hour. It wasn't there hardly any time at all. We then went into the recovery company. I went in personally with our customer. We paid the £150 to get the car out, and we then drove the vehicle from Yarmouth all the way to Halesworth to the Wilderness Reserve. Now that part of the story was probably my favourite part. Obviously a Ferrari F40 being loaded up onto a trailer and driving through Yarmouth and Lowestoft is a cool story in itself. But watching that drive back through the countryside, muddy puddles, it was filthy. Once we then arrived at the Wilderness Reserve, we obviously then unloaded the mobile van, all the equipment out, and then started our normal procedure. Now, I don't know the exact value of this car. Obviously, we've had a look online, and with it being such a rare car, the price ranges are massive. But From a gentleman who was involved in this journey as well, I've been told that the car was actually purchased for over £3 million. I don't know whether that's true. I know the article's saying some crazy figures, sort of 400,000, 600,000, 1.5 million, but I'm pretty sure it was over £3 million. So us as a business here, that is a massive, massive achievement. We were honoured to be able to work on this type of vehicle, and massive credits to Jake as well, because the VIP customer, he actually found us online, had a look through our websites, had a look through our social media, and chose us to obviously come and complete the work to his vehicle. So our online presence and the image that we show you guys is obviously has worked and made us able to work on this car that we probably never will do ever again. So yeah, I hope this has cleared up more of the story, guys. We're going to put some flashes of the news articles in the comments. Obviously, there's some crazy people on social media, as you guys all know. It isn't an MR2. The car isn't being crushed. The customer's not going to jail. It was a genuine mistake. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video, guys. We're now going to get into the F40 and show you what we've done. Thank you all for watching. If you've got any more questions, hit us up in the comments. We'd love to help out, and see you guys soon.